Hello everyone, my name is Nitin Rathod. Today we are discussing in a detail about cell. First of all, let's start with the definition of cell. Cell is a basic structural and functional unit of a human and living organism and living thing. Then a second, take a look on things part of the cell which is known as the component of the cell. So first one is a mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of a cell. And second one is a nucleus. Nucleus is the largest component in the cell, which is the contain and genetic information in the form of DNA and RNA. Then third one is a ribosome. Ribosome are a very essential for the synthesis of protein. Then fourth one is a cell membrane. Cell membrane, it is allows the cell. Cell membrane is a protective for the cell, and then the protectively for the cell. Then cytoplasm are the having jelly like structure. Then apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum are also contained. Then take a look on the types of the cell. So first one, take a look on the types of a cell. First one is a prokaryotic and second one is a eukaryotic cell. Then second look on a types of cell. First one is a prokaryotic cell and second one is a eukaryotic cell. So prokaryotic cell having not well defined nucleus and it is usually available in a unicellular organism. It is having 17s ribosomes and it's have a faster growth rate, and the having the circular DNA, and it is generally color in a bacteria. The second one is a eukaryotic cell. In a eukaryotic cell, there is a well-defined nucleus, and it has 18 ribosomes, and it is generally having linear in a DNA, and it has a slower growth rate than the eukaryotic cell, and it is generally available in plants and animal. Now discuss about plant cell and animal cell. First one is a plant cell. Plant cell are the having in a cell wall. It is store energy as a starch. Then it is generally found in a box in shape, and it's having a chloroplast, and it is having a pigment as a chlorophyll, which is cause green color in a plant, which is a autotrophic. The second one is a animal cell. Animal cell does not contain cell wall, and it does not contain chloroplast. It is store energy as a glycogen, and it is generally found in a irregular in a shape, and the melanin pigment are found in a animal cell. Then the both cell are containing mitochondria and nucleus. Mitochondria and nucleus. Now discuss about the function of the cell. So first of all, one is the energy production. Cell produce energy in the form of ATPs. The second one is a communication. Cell communicate with the each other via the signal of neurons. Then third one is protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is done by ribosomes, which is the component of the cell. Then fourth one is waste management. Waste management cell remove the waste from the cytoplasm. And fifth one is growth and development growth and development. Now discussing the specialty of the cell. Cell specialty depending on the various organism like animal, plant, and bacteria in a animal, like RBCs, like red blood cells, which is carry the oxygens, and second one is a muscle cell, which is the important for the movement, and then second one is a plant cell. Plant cell is a contain the chloroplast for the synthesis of chlorophyll. Then third one is for the animal bacterial cell. Bacterial cell are the contain the development for itself for the maintaining extreme acidic and hot survivals. Now the discussion about prevention and the treatment. Prevention and treatment, which is control the diseases related to the cell. So first one is a gene therapy. Taking gene therapy, the taking of gene therapy will be leads to the repair in the damaged cell. Then second one is a medication. Medication by the taking a diagnosis, found the symptoms and control the symptoms, which is control cell damage. Then third one is a lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, a healthy diet, and do sufficient body movement can control the these the related to the cell.